Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're unboxing 5 of these Cats vs. Pickles. We won these as prizes when we went to Dave & Buster's, so let's open them and see which ones we get. So,
hopefully they're cute.
I know, I'm sure they'll be cute.
If they're not cute, if
Okay, pull it out.
I'm gonna eat them.
I wanted this one.
Aww. That one has like little doodles all over it.
Oh my! Fight you now.
It's from my childhood. We used to always make those on paper. It has little hearts and clouds and flowers. That's so cute. Is there a checklist? There is. Let's see what there is.
And the next one, I get to look at it and know it.
I like the pickles a lot.
And we're gonna open it.
Mr. Scribbles, that's who we got.
And we're gonna close our eyes and grab it. I'll grab it out and try to guess what it is. How about that, guys?
It says limited release Gold Series beans. All right, next up, let's open this one.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and pull it out.
Okay,
Can I pull it
you
out?
can do the next one.
Oh, you never let me
I
know.
always do.
Oh, it's like a spore.
Oh, that's cool.
Mushroom force.
How cute is that one? Let me see which one that is on the list. It's a little plant. It's right here.
Let me. Yeah, it's at the bottom.
It's Audrey.
Audrey. I'm
It's
gonna
like the
name
plant
my
from
own.
Little Shop of Horrors, I think. I think one of the characters' name is Audrey. 3 more left. Raylan, you get to pull this one out. Okay?
If I'm closing my eyes.
You are? Okay.
And I'm gonna try to guess.
Okay, put your hand in
I
here.
don't even know what it is.
There you go.
Let me wait.
There
I
you
think
go.
it's the.
Oh, I have him.
Oh, we already have this one?
Can I
Well, she
have
doesn't. So.
Oh, it's a little pickle and he's
I
holding
want
an
this
ice
pickle.
cream.
It's the only
His name's like
pickle I
Lickle or
want.
something.
His name is Lickle.
I
the
need
pickle.
Lickle. I like him because he has
It's
ice
so
cream.
cute.
I'd rather eat the ice cream.
Okay, 2 left.
Now,
Do you think it's a pickle or a cat?
I got it 2 times because Jackson.
Yes, you can do that one, then Jackson will do the
Is that
last
a
one.
pickle? I thought it sold green.
I think
Ooh.
it's a cat. It's a parrot from Minecraft.
It's a parrot. That's so cute.
Looks like
This
a
one
parrot from Minecraft.
is named Pete. Pete the
cat
parrot.
Or Pete the parrot.
Pete the parrot. Look like a strawberry on the back.
It does.
Yeah, I thought it
So
was a
cute.
strawberry cat.
All right. So, last one. Pickle or cat?
Pickle and a cat. And
Is
then
that a
again.
piece of a pickle?
That
Ooh.
one looks pretty.
Whoa, is that like a duck or something?
Oh my gosh.
Web feet.
Is it, what is that? Let me look. Ribbit?
Frog?
His name's Ribbit. Oh, I could kind of see it. Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe?
He's a
His name's
frog.
Ribbit.
Nice
Yep,
frog
just a
cat.
little tree frog cat. That's cute.
A froggy.
So that is what we got today. If you want to see more toy unboxings, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.